This video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app.
Magic seed. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by fertile lands, there lived a humble farmer named Arun. Arun was known for his hard work and kindness, but despite his efforts, his crops often failed, leaving him with barely enough to survive. One evening, as he was walking back from the fields, tired and worried, he saw an old woman sitting by the roadside. She looked frail but had a mysterious, kind glow about her. Arun, being the kind man he was, offered her some food and water. In return, the old woman smiled and handed him a single, small seed. It was unlike any seed Arun had ever seen, shimmering with a faint golden glow. "This is a magic seed," she said softly. "Plant it and take care of it with patience. It will bring you a great harvest. But remember, what you sow in your heart will grow in the soil." Puzzled but hopeful, Arun thanked the old woman and planted the seed in his field the next morning. Every day, he watered the soil and tended to the spot where the seed lay. Days passed, then weeks, but nothing sprouted. Some villagers began to mock Arun, saying he had been tricked into wasting his time on a useless seed. But Arun remembered the old woman's words and remained patient, continuing to care for the seed with faith in his heart. He refused to be discouraged and worked hard each day, believing in the promise of the seed. Then one morning, after a long wait, something miraculous happened. From the ground, a tall, golden plant shot up, growing higher and higher until it towered over all the other crops. Its leaves shimmered like gold in the sunlight, and its fruits were large, vibrant, and plentiful. Arun's field, once barren, was now full of the most abundant and beautiful crops the village had ever seen. The other farmers were amazed and came to ask him how he had achieved such a miracle. Arun, with humility, shared the lesson he had learned from the magic seed. He told them the old woman's seed was magic, not because it grew overnight, but because it taught me patience, faith, and persistence. I didn't just plant the seed in the soil. I planted hope and hard work in my heart. And now, the harvest is not just from the earth, but from within me. Arun became prosperous, but he never forgot the lesson of the magic seed. He continued to work with patience and care, knowing that true growth comes from perseverance and believing in what cannot be seen. Moral: patience, faith, and hard work are like magic seeds. When you nurture them with care and persistence, they will bring rewards beyond your imagination. True success comes not from quick results, but from the strength to believe and wait for the right time.